Hey everyone, welcome to my project demo. So I have done this project as part of 5-day Gen AI intensive course offered by Google 2025. So this project is part of that course. So the title of my project is AI Calendar Assistant. It uses a multi-agent AI architecture. So we have all been there trying to schedule meetings, forgetting dates and spending too much of time clicking around on the calendar. So I thought, why not let AI handle this? This project is about reducing that friction, letting you just say what you need, and your assistant takes care of it. So I wanted to show you the tech stack. What are the technologies that I have used? I have used the large language model offered by Google Gemini 2.0 Flash. It converts the natural language inputs into structured JSON formats. I've used LangChain to create agents and tool calling. I have used the Google Calendar API to integrate with the calendar. It uses JSON structured format. It uses function calling. There is a retry logic to work around the permanent quota of Google. Then I have used Kaggle secrets for securing the API key. So this is how the architecture looks like. The user inputs in natural language. There is an intent detector. This part detects whether the user is engaging in small talk or it's something related to calendar. If it's a small talk, I have an agent for taking care of that. And if it's calendar related, it is forwarded to the planner agent. The planner agent outputs a JSON format, outputs a JSON data based on the user input. And based on this, either tools are used to invoke an event, or there is a scheduler agent which is used to create an event. So I wanted to explain the code and show you a demo. So this is how the code looks like. This part of the code is to evaluate. This is to evaluate whether the JSON format is in a valid format. And this is the prompt engineering strategy that I have used. So here I set up the Kaggle environment, do the necessary imports, do the necessary credential imports. So I have told how to go about getting a Gemini API key and credentials.json for Google Calendar API. So here you need to work with Google Cloud. So once you're done with credentials, you can create agents using LangChain and then create prompts for all the agents. A small talk prompt, an intent prompt, a planner prompt, a scheduler prompt, and then create the agent. And then give it the list of functions and tools that it can work with. So these are the functions and tools. And this is the architecture. And then this multi-agent calendar handler is to handle the user input. I wanted to show you this demo. So it's basically asking me to ask anything. Okay, let me ask it to list my events today. Great, it listed my events. I wanted to show you my calendar as well. Yeah, so you can see there are 3 events in my calendar. So it has listed me that. Now I'll want it to schedule a meeting for me tomorrow. Great, it says that it has scheduled a meeting. Let's check with my calendar for Sunday. Yeah, there is a meeting scheduled at 3 p.m. tomorrow. So this is how it works. What feels magical is the technology. It's how natural the interaction feels. You can interact with it in natural language and it takes care of everything. It still cannot do certain things, like it needs a perfect name for deletion, perfect title for deletion. So I want to include that in the future. I also want to include with tasks API like Slack or Todoist, so that it integrates with multiple APIs and provides a comprehensive software. Thank you for tuning in.